New York City, the Big Apple. A city that stands as a beacon of hope and opportunity, the city that never sleeps, where dreams are made and broken in the blink of an eye. This vibrant metropolis pulsates with energy, ambition, and an irresistible charm that captivates all who visit. Towering skyscrapers pierce the clouds, a testament to human ingenuity and architectural grandeur, each one telling its own story. From the bustling streets of Manhattan, where the pace never slows, to the serene pathways of Central Park offering a peaceful retreat, New York is a city of contrasts, a melting pot of cultures, and a living museum of architectural marvels that span centuries. Join us as we embark on a journey through time, exploring the iconic landmarks that have come to define New York City's skyline and capture the hearts of millions around the world. From the sleek lines of the Museum of Modern Art, MoMA, showcasing contemporary masterpieces, to the sprawling green oasis of Central Park, a sanctuary amidst the urban jungle, each landmark tells a unique story, reflecting the city's evolution from a bustling port town to a global center of commerce, culture, and innovation. The Statue of Liberty stands tall, welcoming all with open arms. Prepare to be amazed by the architectural ingenuity, historical significance, and sheer beauty of these extraordinary structures that make New York City a true marvel. Get ready to discover the soul of New York City through its iconic landmarks, each one a piece of the grand mosaic that forms this incredible city. Nestled in the heart of Midtown Manhattan, the Museum of Modern Art, or MoMA, stands as a beacon of modern and contemporary art. This iconic institution is not just a museum, it's a cultural landmark that has shaped the art world for nearly a century. Founded in 1929, MoMA was the first museum dedicated exclusively to collecting and exhibiting art from the 20th and 21st centuries. Its establishment marked a revolutionary moment in the art world, setting the stage for future generations of artists and art lovers. Its collection is a veritable treasure trove of artistic masterpieces, boasting over 200,000 works, from paintings and sculptures to photographs and films. MoMA's diverse collection offers something for everyone. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by iconic works by some of the greatest artists of our time. The museum's galleries are a journey through the evolution of modern art, each room telling a different story. Marvel at Andy Warhol's vibrant pop art, which captures the essence of consumer culture and celebrity. Be mesmerized by Vincent van Gogh's swirling landscapes, where every brushstroke conveys emotion and movement. And lose yourself in the abstract expressionism of Jackson Pollock's drip paintings, which challenge traditional notions of composition and technique. MoMA's collection is a testament to the ever-evolving nature of art, showcasing a diverse range of styles, movements, and mediums. From surrealism to minimalism, the museum offers a comprehensive overview of the artistic innovations that have shaped our world. Over the years, MoMA has undergone several renovations and expansions, constantly adapting to the changing landscape of the art world. These updates ensure that the museum remains at the forefront of contemporary art, providing a dynamic space for both artists and visitors. Today, it welcomes over 3 million visitors each year, solidifying its status as one of the most visited museums in the world. Whether you're an art aficionado or a casual observer, MoMA offers an unparalleled experience that celebrates the power and beauty of modern art. In the midst of the concrete jungle that is Manhattan lies an emerald oasis, a sprawling green sanctuary known as Central Park. Completed in 1876, this 843-acre park is a testament to the power of urban planning and the importance of green spaces in bustling cities. Central Park is a world unto itself, a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of city life and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. Stroll along the winding pathways, rent a rowboat on the serene lake, or simply relax on the great lawn and soak up the sun. Explore the park's many hidden gems, from the Bethesda Terrace with its iconic fountain to the whimsical strawberry fields, a memorial to John Lennon. Keep an eye out for the park's resident wildlife, including sparrows, squirrels, and even the occasional blue heron. Central Park is a true urban oasis, a testament to the harmonious coexistence of nature and city life. A symphony in steel and glass, Rockefeller Center is a testament to the Art Deco era that swept through New York City in the 1930s. This complex of 19 commercial buildings, spanning from 48th to 51st Streets, between 5th and 6th Avenues, is a masterpiece of urban planning and architectural grandeur. At the heart of Rockefeller Center lies the iconic 70-story, 850-foot 30 Rockefeller Plaza, once known as the RCA Building and later the GE Building. Ascend to the top of the rock observation deck for breathtaking panoramic views of the city. During the holiday season, Rockefeller Center transforms into a winter wonderland. The iconic Rockefeller Center Christmas tree, adorned with thousands of twinkling lights, takes center stage, while the ice skating rink below twinkles with the joy of the season. Section 5, King of the Skyline, the Empire State Building. For over 4 decades, the Empire State Building reigned supreme as the tallest building in the world. It was not just a marvel of engineering, but also a beacon of hope and progress during the Great Depression. Completed in 1931, this 102-story Art Deco masterpiece soared to a height of 1,250 feet, or 381 meters, a testament to human ambition and architectural prowess. Its construction was a feat of engineering, completed in just over a year, a record time for such a monumental project. Its iconic silhouette has become synonymous with New York City itself, a symbol of the city's indomitable spirit and unwavering ambition. The building's spire, often illuminated in different colors, marks celebrations and events, making it a living part of the city's culture. No visit to New York is complete without experiencing the awe-inspiring views from the Empire State Building's observation deck on the 86th floor. Here, visitors can gaze out over the sprawling metropolis, taking in landmarks like Central Park, the Statue of Liberty, and Times Square. From this vantage point, you'll be treated to breathtaking panoramic vistas of the city that never sleeps. The view is especially magical at sunset, when the city is bathed in a golden glow, and at night, when the lights of the city create a dazzling display. The Empire State Building has also made its mark on popular culture, appearing in countless films and television shows. Its presence in media has cemented its status as an American icon. Who can forget the iconic scene in King Kong where the giant ape scales the building, a moment that has been etched into cinematic history, or the romantic climax of Sleepless in Seattle? These moments have made the Empire State Building not just a landmark, but a symbol of dreams and aspirations. Section 6, A Fairy Tale, Staten Island. While Manhattan may be the epicenter of New York City, a journey to the borough of Staten Island offers a unique perspective on this vibrant metropolis. Hop aboard the Staten Island Ferry, a free service that operates 24/7, for a scenic 25-minute ride across New York Harbor. As you sail through the harbor, be captivated by breathtaking views of the Statue of Liberty, Ellis Island, and the iconic Brooklyn Bridge. Staten Island, once a gateway for immigrants arriving at Ellis Island, is rich in history and culture. Explore the historic neighborhood of St. George, home to the Staten Island Ferry Terminal, or delve into the past at historic Richmond Town, a living history museum that transports visitors back to the 17th century. Staten Island may be the forgotten borough to some, but it holds a charm and allure all its own. As Section 7, the Brooklyn Bridge, an engineering marvel. Connecting the boroughs of Manhattan and Brooklyn, the Brooklyn Bridge stands as a testament to human ingenuity and architectural prowess. Completed in 1883, this suspension bridge, designed by John A. Roebling, was a marvel of engineering at the time of its construction. Its distinctive neo-Gothic towers, soaring 276 feet above the East River, have become an iconic symbol of New York City. Take a stroll or bike ride across the bridge's pedestrian walkway, which offers breathtaking views of the Manhattan skyline, the East River, and the Statue of Liberty. As you cross the bridge, take a moment to appreciate the intricate web of steel cables that support its massive span, a testament to the ingenuity of its designers. The Brooklyn Bridge is more than just a bridge. It's a symbol of American ingenuity, a triumph of engineering, and a timeless icon of New York City. Section 8, Grand Central Terminal, a Beaux-Arts masterpiece. Step into Grand Central Terminal and you'll be transported back to the golden age of travel. This Beaux-Arts masterpiece, completed in 1913, is more than just a transportation hub, it's a destination in itself. Marvel at the terminal's soaring ceilings, adorned with a celestial ceiling mural depicting the constellations of the zodiac. Admire the grand staircases, reminiscent of those found in European opera houses, and the ornate chandeliers that cast a warm glow on the bustling concourse below. Grand Central Terminal is a testament to the grandeur and opulence of a bygone era, a time when train travel was the epitome of luxury. Today it remains one of the busiest train stations in the world, a bustling hub of activity where commuters and tourists alike marvel at its architectural splendor. Section 9. Conclusion: New York. An architectural adventure awaits. New York City's architectural marvels are more than just buildings. They are testaments to human ingenuity, ambition, and creativity. From the sleek lines of the Museum of Modern Art to the sprawling green oasis of Central Park, from the Art Deco elegance of Rockefeller Center to the iconic silhouette of the Empire State Building, each landmark tells a unique story, reflecting the city's rich history and vibrant culture. As you explore these architectural wonders, take a moment to appreciate the artistry, the engineering, and the vision that went into their creation. Let these landmarks inspire you, ignite your imagination, and leave you with a newfound appreciation for the power of architecture to shape our world. New York City awaits, ready to unveil its architectural treasures and captivate your senses.